Face codes for Berry Avenue, Bloxburg, and any Roblox game. So today I'm going to show you the best face code that you can use or apply when playing Bloxfruit. We have here also Berry Avenue and any other Roblox game. So to start playing with Berry Avenue, you just have to go to your Roblox and then select this Berry Avenue game and then open, and this is what it looks like. Now, I will be showing you the first code that you can use when playing any of this game here. The first face code we have here is 12849417995. That's the very first face code. The next code that we can use or apply is face code 12849495555. The next face code we have here is 12849428433. Number 4 face code we have is 12814580146. Next face code we have 12814599926. Next face code we have 12814588390. And the next phase code we have 12379445256. Number 8 phase code we have 12361510715. And then last phase code we have is 12361516582. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next tutorials.